Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving student eligibility and claiming the GitHub Student Pack or Copilot Student Access. This unlocks the tool without delay. Next, install the Copilot extension in VS Code or your preferred supported editor, because the extension is where suggestions appear. Once done, sign into GitHub inside the editor and authorize Copilot for your account and workspace so it can read file context. This step connects your editor to the AI and makes real-time code suggestions available. You now learn how to get useful results. Write short, specific prompts or lead with a comment describing desired behavior so Copilot sees intent. When suggestions appear, accept the best one, cycle alternatives, or edit inline. This keeps control while leveraging speed. Make iterative tests locally and commit small changes as you refine suggestions, because rapid feedback helps you understand what the model produced and prevents bloated commits. Also, use explicit function signatures to guide the AI toward correct implementations. Finish by validating Copilot output. Run unit tests, lint, and perform a quick code review to ensure correctness and style compliance before committing. Then document that you used Copilot in your commit message or comments so intent and provenance are clear. This is useful for academic integrity. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by narrowing the prompt, providing input/output examples, or temporarily disabling Copilot. That helps isolate issues and prevents the model from repeating bad suggestions if context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.